Takes care of all the problems related with stomach, all problems with infertility. Those problems in menopause, there is a
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
Day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so the rise are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering.
ముందుగా మన వీసీ గారు మనల్ని ఉద్దేశించి మాట్లాడతారు.
సో శుభోదయం అందరికీ, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. సో ఈరోజు మనం ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ శతాబ్దోత్సవాల్లో భాగంగా జస్ట్ 3 days అవే ఫర్ ఎ క్లిక్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మెగా ఉత్సవ్. సో దానిలో భాగంగా రన్అప్ ఈవెంట్స్లో అనేక కార్యక్రమాలు చేస్తున్నాం. అందులో భాగంగా వనితా వేవ్ అట్ 100 5,000 టార్గెట్తో మన విశాఖ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్, పబ్లిక్ సెక్టర్స్, పబ్లిక్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్, యూనివర్సిటీస్, అఫిలియేటెడ్ కాలేజెస్తో ముఖ్యంగా
మెనీ ప్లేసెస్ ఐ గో టు, మెనీ స్కూల్స్, కాలేజెస్ ఐ గో టు, గోల్డ్ మెడల్స్ ఎవరికి వస్తున్నాయి అంటే 80% 90% ఫీమేల్ స్టూడెంట్స్కే వస్తున్నాయి. మరి ఏవిలో ఏంటో నాకు తెలియదు. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ వరీడ్ అబౌట్ మెన్, ఏమవుతుంది అంతా.
సో బిగ్ క్లాప్స్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ the first page please go to the first page. Distinguished guests, our honorable governor and chancellor of the university, then our honorable chief minister and the union minister and the former vice president.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe